Gyeongbokgung Palace is a magnificent historical palace located in the heart of Seoul, South Korea. It was built in 1395 and served as the main royal palace during the Joseon Dynasty. The palace was destroyed by the Japanese in the late 16th century and underwent extensive restoration in the 19th century. Today, it is one of the most visited tourist attractions in Seoul. There are 5 things to see and do at Gyeongbokgung Palace for tourism. Here are some of the highlights. 1. Main Gate. This impressive gate is the main entrance to the palace and is a popular spot for photos. 2. Changing of the guard ceremony. Visitors can witness the changing of the guard ceremony which takes place in front of the palace gate. 3. Throne Hall. This grand hall was the main venue for royal ceremonies and features a large throne for the king. 4. Royal Banquet Hall. This hall was used for important meetings and banquets and features intricate wood carvings and paintings. 5. Royal Living Quarters. This is a large pavilion set in the middle of a pond and was used for royal banquets and entertainment. To get to Gyeongbokgung Palace, visitors can take the subway to Gyeongbokgung Station and use exit 5. Alternatively, buses and taxis are also available. The palace is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and admission fees are 3,001 for adults and 1,501 for children. Visitors can also purchase a combination ticket that includes entry to other royal palaces in Seoul. The best time to visit Gyeongbokgung Palace in Seoul, South Korea is during the spring and fall seasons. Spring, from March to May, offers mild temperatures and beautiful cherry blossom blooms, making it an ideal time to visit the palace grounds. The fall season, from September to November, is also a great time to visit as the temperatures are mild and the autumn foliage adds color to the palace grounds. However, keep in mind that Gyeongbokgung Palace is a popular tourist destination and can be crowded during peak season. It is advisable to visit during weekdays and arrive early in the morning to avoid crowds. Additionally, the palace offers various special events and performances throughout the year, such as the Royal Guard Changing Ceremony and the Royal Palace Moonlight Tour. So it is worth checking the calendar before planning your visit.